You're cleaning the...
Are you done?
It's dead. I think it's dead.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh, it's just a shell. Gary's not here. The challenge is no suka until we get to the park.
Yeah.
Can you do that, Daniel? You just breathe in, breathe out, look outside, look far, find some strategies. Hi! Because we're always getting dizzy in the car, this is our way to train Daniel! How not to get dizzy in a car! So what's our strategy? Gotta put him in a car seat with buckles on, and we're gonna turn on the 3D stuff.
Holy cow. Yeah, yeah. Prepare to turn left. Turn left.
Here, and I tell you what, it's been absolutely
You're getting busy.
mind-blowing experience. I mean, just about as
Okay,
mind-blowing
sit down
as
na.
this, which I knew would be mind-blowing, but
Oh
we will remember
Okay.
like these first
Tell us, what can you feel?
amazingly good. I didn't.
Are you dizzy now?
but I am truly impressed with my
Really?
experience thus far, and this.
no! For real?
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Natakot. What are you going to do? Come here, closer. Yeah. Ayun daw, bigyan mo daw sila. Whoa, it's coming. Oh no! Oh, there, it's coming. It's coming for you kasi you're feeding them. Look at that! They're different kinds of ducks. Ang cute. guys, we are here at Yorba Park. This is our first time playing again on the playground after the pandemic, and I think my kids are so excited. Look what we have here. That's so big ducks. Oh, nice view. Those three guys, they're good, and it's gone. You're a fountain. Yeah, like this.
We got a squirrel.
That's how you feed raccoon.
Yeah, raccoon.
Raccoon.
Not raccoon.
Oh, what are those?
Squirrel.
Oh, squirrels. Abo, Dodi Close encounter Parang Snow White lang
Sa atin yan, pinagpapalo na yung ulam. Kahit nagkaka sa atin, inuulam eh. Yan pa kaya, vegetarian.
Parang pet lang.
Makikita niya, alam naman nila takot.
Uy, kumaganon pa yung buntot nyo. Daddy
Mata mo, alam nila yan.
Ayan o.
Ito mo, dahan-dahan din naman din yung kagat niya eh.
Bait. Ang bait
Oh, ano?
Hindi siya alis. Kasi hindi niya alam niya ulihin.
That's Ted. Ted and Billy.
Kain niya o.
Wonder who that could be.
How's it going, Ted? The other one, we'll name him. We'll name the other one.
Papi,
Yeah, Papi Chulo.
hey, Papi Chulo.
Billy and Papi Chulo.
How's the rice?
This is Billy, right? Where's Papi Chulo? Papi Chulo!
Hulog o.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear.
What's up?
Ooh,
Talk to the ducks. It says here no swimming. Why are they swimming?
clear.
Yeah, good job. Oh my gosh.
Pull him up!
I can't. I'm pulling myself up.
Push your butt up!
Come on. Ching 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 ching. Again. How are you, Kuya? Now you know what's the feeling of being a squirrel.
I don't want to be a squirrel.
What?
Chicken.
That's a poop. I can't clean it up, oh.
That's his new task.
Pushing the leaves.
Are you having fun? Yeah. River, oh, it's flowing. Look, Daddy's fixing it. Ah, that's nice.
That's nice. I'd love to be in the other area.
Good job. Now I can hear the water. There you go. We'll give you
10 stars. And $100.
These guys from the Stark Industries. They're cleaning the river. Oh, what are you doing?
The first one to go to that bigger leg wins.
Okay.
I don't know.
Which one's yours?
Hey!
Ready? Here.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Go! Drop! Oh no!
Who's gonna race? We're gonna race. My team will try.
Oh no! Then you're stuck. Okay.
I'm going.
Where is it? Which one's yours, Kuya?
I'm winning.
Then you're stuck.
Where's are you there? There's yours. Oh, you're stuck. Ah, no, no.
I'm Pinecone. That Pinecone's mine.
For your boot?
There's rocket launchers. Oh,
We have a boat.
hedges.
What is that?
The boat. Oh, let's see if it will.
Who made that?
Money for me.
I'm-
Acorn! Acorn! Acorn power or the leaf? Acorn, go! Acorn! The leaf already won! I did it!
Which one? I didn't see it.
Andun na, nauna na. Ayun, stuck din ako.
Okay.
Click here to see some sand. Click here to see some snow. Subscribe on the channel right here. Right here. Right here. Like, subscribe on your channel on today. Just deal with it and stay positive, not corona.